Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Public Defender's coat. This unique cosmetic item is a popular transmog option for many players in World of Warcraft. To begin your journey, you'll need to travel to the city of Borealis in Kultiras. This is where the main questline for the coat starts, setting you on a path to earn this distinctive piece of gear. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Once you arrive in Borealis, head towards the main harbor area. You'll find Public Defender Kime standing near the docks. Speak with him to accept the first quest in the chain. This initial task will involve investigating a local disturbance, setting the stage for your role in upholding justice. Pay close attention to the quest text for details. As you progress, the questline will guide you through various tasks across Kultiras. You'll be gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and making important decisions. Expect to travel to different zones and interact with many non-player characters. Each step brings you closer to solving the case and earning your prestigious Public Defender's coat. After successfully completing all the investigative tasks and resolving the case, return to Public Defender Kime in Borealis. He will commend your efforts and officially grant you the Public Defender's coat as your well-deserved reward. Equip it proudly for a distinguished look. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new transmog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.